Looking for a cost-effective corrugated box making machine upgrade? This semi-automatic paper feeder serves as an ideal solution for medium and large factories to achieve automation within a reasonable budget. Highly compatible with high-speed flexo printers, flatbed die cutters, and automatic folder gluers, it optimizes plant workflows seamlessly. Featuring heavy-duty hydraulic lifting and automatic conveying, it supports standard palletized cardboard loading. While operators manually guide the material onto the feeder, the machinery automatically manages precision elevation adjustments and feeding processes, significantly reducing labor intensity and maximizing production throughput. To match your existing lines, we provide a complete range of models including the 920, 1224, 1426, and 1628 configurations. Integration is fully successful as long as machine widths correspond. Depending on the selected model, the maximum processing widths for corrugated sheets are 900, 1200, 1400, and 1600 millimeters. Contact our specialized technical sales engineering support team today to request tailored plant layouts, and remember to subscribe to our official channel for more advanced industry insights.